Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set the symbols and arrows in the Dimension Style Manager in AutoCAD. Firstly, I'll go to Annotate and then I'll click on the Dimension Style Manager. I'll create a new dimension style and name it D10. Then I'll click on Continue. Okay, change the dimension name. I'll make it D20. Continue. Now I'll go to the symbols and arrows option, and firstly I can see the arrowheads option. I can select the first arrowhead, second arrowhead, and also the arrowhead of the leader. Let me see what happens if I change it. If I make it architectural tick, I see that both the arrowheads can be made architectural tick. So let me make the first one closed blank, and the second one closed filled. So I can see that the arrowhead style has been changed, but in this let me make both as closed filled. The leader also I'll keep it closed filled. For the arrow size is generally selected equal to the text height. So since in this I have already given the text height equals to 10, so I keep this arrow size as 10. If I increase the arrow size, suppose I make it 16, then I find that the size of the arrow increases, but I will keep it 10 for this file. Now the center marks. As you know, the center marks represent the center of the circle, but in this file I don't need this, so I click on none. Now comes the dimension break part. Now let us see what happens in the dimension break. In this I have selected the dimension break size as 10. I'll click on OK. I'll click on set current and then close the window. I have made this drawing. Let me check the dimensions. I have drawn the dimension up to this part. Now I will apply the dimension break. So I click, I'll type DIM BREAK or the dim break. I'll select the dim break from here. Then it is written select dimension to add or remove break. So I'll select the dimension and then I'll click on enter. So if I zoom it, I find that the dimension has break. Dimension has break here. So if I want to increase this dimension break size, let me first click on the dimension and then I'll close this. Then I'll go back to the dimension style manager and then I'll click on modify and let me increase this to suppose say 60. Then I'll click on OK. Then again set current, and then I find that the dimension break size has increased. So in this way, we can use the dimension break. So I'll keep the dimension break size as 10 as it is preferable. Now coming to the arc length symbol, we find three options. So let us test what is this arc length symbol. So firstly, let me select preceding dimension text. Then I'll click on OK and then set current and then close the window. I have drawn an arc here, so let me check its dimension. I'll check the arc length. I'll click on the arc and then I find the arc length. We see that besides this dimension text or before this dimension text, the arc length or a shape appears. Now let me change this. I'll again go to the dimension style manager. I will click on modify and then I will select above dimension text and then OK, set current, close. We find that the arc length or the symbol has gone above the dimension text. Now if I select none option. Select none option in this dimension style manager, and then I'll click on OK. Set current. I'll see that there is no symbol, just only the dimension text. So I'll keep the arc length symbol as none, as I don't need the arc length symbol. So in this video I have shown you how to set the symbols and arrows option in AutoCAD, and for the radius jog dimension and linear jog dimension I will make another video. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to our channel.